It's time to step out of the apparel box and start adding accessories to your product offering. Adding accessories and branding them for your customers is a great way to expand into new markets, get repeat customers, and ultimately win new business. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the heat transfers you're already printing with on accessories that are very popular within the industry. Let's dive in. I already have my 6x10 loaded on the A to Z, and I'm going to thread this duffel bag on there so that the straps are falling off the back and I'm just working with my print area right here. This bag is sourced from Wholesale Boutique. It is the Viv and Lou brand, and we are going to be printing this with a newer product at Stahls known as Print Stitch. Now, before I do that, what I want to make sure I'm doing with this bag is doing a quick preheat, and this is a sublimated polyester, and we are just going to cover that with a cover sheet to make sure that the sublimation in the product is not migrating to the heating element. That's also allowing me to test my pressure, so I want to go ahead and dial that down to a firmer pressure. So now that my preheat is complete, I can now take my Print Stitch patch and place it exactly where I want it to go. Now I'm going to make sure I'm covering with that cover sheet to protect my upper heating element from the sublimation that's in the bag and also from the Print Stitch patch, and go ahead and lock my heating element down. We are using top heat only with the A to Z heat press. So my application instructions are 360 degrees for 21 seconds using a medium pressure. Once that heat press beeps, the accessory is complete. Another popular accessory is fanny packs. This was one sourced from S&S Activewear, and the brand is Champion. We can load this on the 360 IQ by just opening up that front pocket and threading it right onto that platen. Now, the reason I want to show you a different application is because with our emblems and patches, you can use top heat only, or you can use dual heat that you can get with the 360 IQ. So now we have top heat at 280 and bottom heat at 320, so we can successfully press our 100% polyester fanny pack without scorching or damaging the product, and print it with a dimensional emblem known as PVC patches. These are another really popular heat transfer type in the industry and really take those logos to the next level. So all we have to do is place our transfer right where we want it to go. And I'm just gonna hold it there briefly because our bottom platen is heated up to 320 degrees. The adhesive on the back of this patch is going to start activating. It's gonna make for an easier application. Now that it's on there and curving with the platen and the pocket, I'm gonna cover with our foam pad. The foam pad is going to protect the PVC from melting under the heat. Now all I have to do is bring this down, lock it. Once I hear that click of the press, now my time is going to start counting down for me. Once you see the 360 auto release, our product is complete. Right now we have our 100% polyester fanny pack, heat applied with our PVC patch to really elevate the branding of this accessory. These are just two of many accessories that you can start heat pressing, and all you need are the heat transfers you're already using. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.